Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add margins in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. So margins are really helpful to keep your designs looking sort of like balanced and professional, and they can also help stop any part of the design being cut off, especially if you are planning to print it out. So this is how you add margin. So click onto your design, then in the top left hand corner click on file. Then from there scroll down to settings and then scroll across and you're going to click on show margins. So now you can see in my design margins are there, and I can go ahead and edit my design and keep everything well inside the margins. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.